Da Vinci said, "Once you have tasted flight, you will forever walk the earth with your eyes turned skyward. For there you have been, and there you will always long to return." We desire and dream. Our dream is the destination. Dream is the wind, and dream with work is the flight. To reach that destination, we require a pathway. United College of Aviation Science and Management, located at Uttara, the evolving heart of Dhaka city, and the top-ranked private college in Bangladesh for the aviation sector, is the absolute pathway to your destination in the sky. This college offers a rare combination of elite educational excellence and a remarkable lifestyle. Home to hundreds of students and staff from across the country, United College of Aviation Science and Management has an outstanding location with its own campus to provide utmost comfort to their students. Come on in. The college consists of an English library complex and an excellent aero lab with dismounted part of complete Fokker F-28 aircraft and various other instruments provided by the Bangladesh Air Force for students to carry out their practical work. The college also has a private accommodation for the students to stay near the campus for their comfort and much more.
Established in 2009, the United College has been working towards the goal of creating a hard-working and skilled nation. Serving in the field of aviation, the college has been working for long 10 years solely to develop skillful personalities and invaluable assist for the aviation industry of Bangladesh.
The graduates of United College of Aviation are highly regarded for their global perspective. 1 in 3 of all students studies overseas are the part of the degree. The degree provided here are accepted all over the world and for the job opportunities.
The college offers courses in different faculties: aviation management, aeronautical engineering, cabin crew course, pilot flying course, and computer science and engineering. United College offers exclusively different scholarships to the new students. Depending on the range of their grade, student can get certain percentage of scholarship.
Under the British Education Board, Edexcel, BTech, Pearson, the college offers Level 3 or National Diploma, which is equivalent to HSC, and also offers the Higher National Diploma or Level 5, which is equivalent to Honours Second Year, for the students of aeronautical engineering to follow their dreams for soaring in the sky.
These courses allow the student to complete their degree in only 4 years after SSC examination. Students can approach these courses after SSC by joining in ND course and after HSC by joining in HND course. United College also enables the opportunity for the students to complete the final year or top-up course in South Wales University in UK. One of the top 10 universities in the world for aeronautical engineering, or many other countries such as China, Korea, Malaysia, etc.
The United College of Aviation is not just about a building or a large classroom, a test, a piles of book, or only the place to carve out your future. but it's a place where you realize you are not alone. Here you meet people, learn from each other, and grow together. It's not always about knowing exactly where you're headed. Sometimes it's about finding your way. It's all about seeing the field with your own eyes and learning from the best. There are books, assessments, and classes, but there is a very significant aspect that cannot be put on paper. This is about living. Join the journey to the sky with the United College of Aviation Science and Management and experience the excellence.